This video is on applicability and process of filing Form 1 DTVSV 2024. DTVSV is Direct Tax Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024, which is notified by the Government of India on 20th September 2024 to resolve pending appeals in case of income tax disputes. The DTVSV Scheme 2024 was enacted by Finance No. 2 Act of 2024. Under the scheme, 4 separate forms have been notified. Form 1 is the form for filing declaration and undertaking by the declarant. Form 2 is the form for certificate to be issued by designated authority. Form 3 is the form for intimation of payment by the declarant. And Form 4 is order for full and final settlement of tax arrears by designated authority. Form 1 and Form 3 shall be furnished electronically by the declarant on the e-filing portal of Income Tax Department, that is www.incometax.gov.in. Form 1 DTVSV is required to be filed by all declarants who are filing declaration under subsection 1 of section 91 of Direct Tax Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024. This is a declaration and undertaking referred to in subsection 4 of section 91. It is required to be submitted online on the e-filing portal. The scheme provides that Form 1 shall be filed separately for each dispute, provided that where appellant and income tax authority both have filed an appeal in respect of the same order, single Form 1 shall be filed in such a case. Let us first look at the prerequisites for filing Form 1 DTVSV. To upload Form 1, the user should have a registered PAN or TAN on the e-filing portal and a valid digital signature certificate if the return of income is required to be furnished under digital signature or electronic verification code in other cases. Let us now look at step-by-step process of filing Form 1 DTVSV. In order to file the form, you are required to go to the e-filing portal homepage and click on Login. You can enter your user ID, which can be a PAN or TAN, and a valid password for the purpose of login. Post-login, go to e-file, click Income Tax Forms, and then go to File Income Tax Forms. On the File Income Tax Forms page, you can search for Form 1 DTVSV 2024. After having selected the form, you can click on File Now. You are required to select Yes or No for whether the declaration relates to TDS dispute under Section 194IA, 194IB or 194M. If Yes is selected, choose Financial Year, Filing Type and click on Continue. Alternatively, if No is selected, choose Assessment Year, Filing Type and then click on Continue. Now you are required to select the financial year, filing type and then click on Continue. You can check the list of documents which will help you to file the form faster and then click on Let's Get Started. Form 1 DTVSV has Part A to Part F and Schedule A to Schedule D. You are required to provide details for all the parts of the form and schedules applicable to you. Click on Part A. Here you are required to enter the appeal reference number, confirm personal information, and also required to provide information relating to eligibility and the option exercised by the appellant, and then click on Save. Part A is now completed. You can now click on Part B. In Part B, you are required to enter the particulars related to dispute. Relevant schedules will be enabled based upon the details filled in Part B. After entering the particulars related to dispute and the details of pending appeal, writ, SLP, DRP objections, revision application as on 22nd July 2024, you can click on Save. Please note, separate form shall be filed for each dispute provided that where appellant and the income tax authority both have filed an appeal in respect of the same order, single Form 1 shall be filed in such a case. Part B is now completed. You can now click on Part C, D, E and F details. In Part C, the amount will be pre-filled. In Part D, you are required to enter amount payable under DTVSV scheme. Part D is auto-calculated but is editable. Taxpayer should validate the values and either D1 or D2 as applicable should be entered. Taxpayer should modify the values accordingly at the schedule levels. In Part E, you are required to enter the details of payments made against tax arrear, and in Part F, the amount will be pre-filled. Part C, D, E and F are now completed. You can click on Schedule A. Here you are required to enter the relevant details related to disputed tax, which is applicable in case of a PAN. Carefully note the date of dispute, that is up to 31st January 2020 and after 31st January 2020, and enter the amount payable accordingly. Schedule A is now completed. Now click on Schedule B. In Schedule B, you're required to enter the information related to TDS, TCS disputes. Schedule B is now completed. You can click on Schedule C. Schedule C is applicable in case of PAN-TAN, and here you're required to enter the information related to disputed penalty, interest and fee. Schedule C is now completed. You can click on Schedule D. Here you're required to enter the relevant information applicable in case appellant opts not to pay tax on additions having effect of reducing loss or depreciation or MAT carried forward. After providing the details, click on Save. Once all the parts and schedules are completed, click on Verification. Provide details for verification and click on Save. Once the verification tab is completed, click on Undertaking. You're required to enter the place and then click on Verify. Undertaking is now completed. You can click on Preview. This is the preview of the form. Click on Proceed to E-Verify if the details are correct in preview. Otherwise, you can edit the details. Now you can E-Verify the form using any of the below modes of verification. After E-Verification, the form will be submitted and acknowledgement number will be generated and communicated on the registered email ID and mobile number. Filing of Form 1 DTVSV is very easy. To know more, you may visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.